Hello everyone, welcome to Yellowgreys YouTube channel, and in this session we are going to cover the PDD as is process map, and this PDD as is process map part of process definition document. Right, the RPA life cycle, and so the initial stage we do process requirement gathering. So after that we do development, and followed by development we do testing, and followed by testing we do the process deployment, then followed by we do support. And so that's how the RPA life cycle will begin. And in that, this PDD creation is part of requirement gathering that will be done by business analyst or the SME. And so this PDD has this process map. It's part of process definition document. In the process definition document, there will be a lot of information available, like the process title, description, and so many things about the process. And also the SME or the business analyst, they will give this process as its map as well. And so if you want to look at the PDD the process definition document, you can check it in the UiPath forum. There will be there is a template available, or you can check it in the UiPath Academy tutorial. And so coming back to this PDD as is process map, and so yes, we are going to do a practical demo session in the upcoming video. So before that, I want to show you the process flow and what I'm going to cover. So this process is not about whatever the UiPath providing the workflow. This is different from that. And this process, yes, I taken that ACME official web page from UiPath, and so there I did a small modification in the process, and I have included some other logic to achieve that entire process steps. So this is the entire process flow. You can see that this is user workflow map. And so here I will take you walk through on how they are doing the process. In the next session, I will show you live process walkthrough, and what we are actually going to do, everything. And first, they will log in ACME web page, and then they will enter username, password, and then after that they will click work items. So once they click work items, and they need to go to the work item table, and there they will check the WID, and then they need to check the type and the status, and based on this, and they need to click the magnify icon there. And so after clicking on this, and yeah, this is the condition they need to check. And so after clicking on this magnify icon, and they will get this information, the client information, and there they need to capture client ID, client name, client country, then followed by, and they need to open the SHA1 website, that is a different website. And there there will be a text box will be populated, and there they need to enter client ID hyphen client name hyphen followed by client country. So after that, if they enter this information, and if they click on search, and they will get on a result, SHA1 result, and they need to copy that result. And then once they copy the result, and they need to go back to ACME work item details page. There they need to click on update work item tab, and so there will be on pop-up window will appear. There they will paste that copied SHA1 result. So after pasting it, and they need to change the status as completed, and they need to click on update work items. So then after that, they need to close the pop-up window, and then after closing it, and they need to again they need to go back to work item, and they need to process the similar process, and again and again. So till that the page is till the page exists. This is just a PDD as is process map, and now I am going to cover the live process flow, so that you can easily understand the entire process flow for development. Open your browser, and go to ACME UiPath.com, and so you will get so this home page directly. This home page, you need to enter username and password. If you are doing first time, you need to sign up this page, and after that you can you can able to log in this using username and password. So I have already an account. I'm going to click on this login button, and this is the process, manual process. The same process we are going to develop it. So here, and we need to click on this work item, and so in this work item you can see a lot of information here. So this is WID, description, type, status, date, and what we need to do. And we are not going to follow the tutorial which is available in the UiPath, or also there is an no ReFrameWork concept to upload the tutorial. That is not this one, and I'm going to cover in a different way to understand both the dispatcher and performer bot. So here, after entering into this page, and what we need to do, we need to get only for the type WI5, the work item 5, and the status should be open, and that particular WIID, we need to click on this magnify icon. So in this page I found that one item. So let's say this already has been completed. Then I need to go to the second page, and in the second page I need to check this where the WI5 is there. Yes, here it is on in open status and work item 5, and so I need to click on this magnify icon. Okay, once I clicked, so we will see this client information details, and so here we need to get this client ID and client name and client country. So this is our process. After capturing these information, what we need to do, we need to open another tab, and so that is sha1 online.com. So here, and there will be a text box, and what we need to do, we need to copy this client ID. So already we captured and paste it with ifine, and again there is a client name, and we need to copy this as well and paste it, and then followed by country. Okay, so country I need to copy. So this is the format we need to paste it. So this is the manual process. Same process we are going to cover it in the live. So here, after that you need to click on hash button, and you will get on SHA1 result. So this result you need to copy it, and again you need to come back this window, and you need to click on this update work item, and there will be a pop-up window populated, and here in this add command box you need to paste that code. So whatever you copied there, and so after that, so the new status, so in the drop down you need to make it as completed, and then you need to click on update work items. So this is the process. We know we have seen that in the PDD as process map. Then there will be a pop-up window. We need to click on this, and then we need to click on close button. Then if you go back to work items, and if you check it, this one, it's completed. So likewise we need to do for all the pages. So this is the process. Then after that, finally, if everything is done, and we need to log out this page. So this is the process, and I have shown that PDD as is process map, as well as the live walkthrough. And so in the upcoming session we are going to split it as two process, that is dispatcher and performer. I tell you why we are splitting into dispatcher and performer in the next session. And after that I'm going to cover the dispatcher bot STD, how we are going to handle the dispatcher bot, and then after that followed by we are going to cover performer bot STD, and then we can start live development. Thank you for watching. Connect with us for more tutorials.